Alright, welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm gonna be harvesting these lemon bee balm. As you can see, is a lot of slip growing up here, but I'm gonna just cut off the top them and allow them to regrow. Bee balm spread like crazy. Look at this. Look at this. All this is bee balm growing up here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut them and dry them and blend them and put them in a jar that I can use them from time to time. Do your research and you will see the benefit of bee balm. All right guys, this is one the main reason why I decide to do the herb garden challenge, because by doing the herb garden challenge we're going to be learning about different type of herbs and other people growing different herbs, and one of the main reason is able to walk outside and cut fresh herbs from your garden. Fresh herbs from your garden. You grow them, you know what you put around them, and you ain't got to worry because you know you did not add any craziness to them, right? So yes guys, this is what I'm talking about. Able to walk outside and get some fresh herb. Guys, don't forget to check out the hashtag. The hashtag is where all the videos upload. Is Planter HGC 2023. That's the hashtag, Planter HGC 2023, and you will see all the videos that upload so far. In the challenge, you got to upload a video twice a month, the 5th and the 25th of each month. You got to upload a video, and at the 30th of June, there's gonna be 3 winners. First prize 200, second prize 100, and third prize $50. But I will say this again: we all gonna be winners. No one gonna be losing, because at the end of the day, you're gonna be able to have fresh herb that you can make tea, you can dry, put in a bottle, you can do whatever. You see, fresh herbs all is spring I able to get. So what gonna happen, all this gonna just regrow. But this is the time. I even believe they do better in the cold weather than the hot weather. So yes guys, and you see I have sage here as well. I have lots of other herbs, but this is what I'm dealing with today. Yes guys, so a bowl of herbs just like this. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Peace.